What's up, kitchen gamblers? Alright, so today one of those days, zero motivation, big hunger, and absolutely no patience for complicated recipes. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. So let's make something quick, spicy and very satisfying because lazy cooking still deserves good food. First things first, grab one chicken breast, slice it nice and thin, not paper thin, just I want this to cook fast because I'm hungry. Set that aside, chicken is chilling for now. Now let's do some quick chopping. Take a handful of fresh coriander, chop it roughly, no need to be perfect. Next, slice 2 to 3 green chilies, adjust according to your spice tolerance or your bravery. And finally, slice a lemon into rings. We only need 2 to 3 slices, so don't go wild. Keep all of this aside, we'll come back to it later. Now let's talk rice. Take 400 grams of rice, give it a quick rinse and soak it for about 40 minutes. If you already have leftover rice, congratulations, you're living the lazy dream. Once soaked, let's boil the rice. Into the pot goes water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 piece of star anise, fancy but worth it, 2 lemon slices and some fresh coriander. Now add the rice and let it boil. While the rice does its thing, we'll move on to the real star, the chicken. Heat a wok and add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle until fragrant. Very important step here, don't burn the cumin. Burnt cumin is equals to sadness. Now chop 2 small onions and toss them into the wok. Cook until they turn soft and translucent. We are not caramelizing, we are just warming them up for greatness. Once the onions look good, add the chicken. Cook until the chicken changes color, no raw chicken vibes here. Now add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and stir continuously. Cook until that raw garlic smell disappears, you'll know when your kitchen starts smelling amazing. Next comes the spice. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes or more if you like to live dangerously. Add salt to taste, give everything a good mix and cook until it's fragrant, spicy and honestly irresistible. Now pour in 250 ml chicken stock or water. Cover it and let it cook. By now the rice should be ready. Drain it and set it aside. Back to the chicken. It's cooked, juicy and swimming in that beautiful gravy. Perfect. Don't dry it out. That gravy is gold. We need that flavor later. Now add the rice directly on top. Sprinkle some black pepper and a touch of orange food color just for that wow factor. Throw in fresh coriander, green chilies and squeeze in half a lemon. Cover the wok and let it cook on low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. This is where all the magic happens. The rice absorbs that spicy lemony chicken goodness. After 6-7 minutes, uncover and give it a gentle mix. Look at that color, smell that spice and yes, we are officially done. Serve it hot, maybe with some extra lemon on the side and enjoy your quick spicy lazy day chicken and rice. And that's it, simple, fast and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because lazy cooking deserves appreciation too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.